Most paid AI subscriptions are a waste of your monthly budget. These 7 free tools handle document analysis and calendar management without a credit card. You are likely paying $20 a month for features that are already available for zero. Stop subsidizing tech companies for basic office tasks. Welcome to Dry Run, where we test AI tools so you don't waste your afternoon finding out they don't work. The workplace in 2026 is louder than ever. Every software suite you use has an integrated assistant trying to upsell you on a premium tier. The reality is that most office workers spend 40% of their day on administrative overhead. You are drowning in emails, meeting transcripts, and data sets that require hours of manual sorting. Chasing the latest paid app often adds another layer of friction rather than removing it. You end up managing the tools instead of doing the work. You need a setup that cuts the noise without hitting your bank account or requiring a department-wide procurement meeting. Most tutorials won't tell you this, but you can build a high-performance workflow using only the free tiers of existing platforms. By the end of this video, you will have a full stack of free AI tools to automate your research, organize your spreadsheets, and summarize long reports. You will know exactly which tool to use for specific tasks and how to implement them by tomorrow morning. Number 1, Perplexity. This is a search engine that provides cited answers. It eliminates the 15 minutes you spend clicking through search results to find one verifiable fact. In a corporate setting, accuracy is the only metric that matters. Perplexity aggregates current web data and tells you exactly where it found the information. This saves about 3 hours a week if you use it right. Use it for market research by asking for specific data points from the last fiscal quarter. Here is how to use it today. Open the site, toggle the Pro search off to stay on the free tier, and input a complex query like, what were the 3 biggest shifts in logistics pricing for East Coast shipping in Q3? Review the footnotes to verify the sources. The honest answer is that traditional search engines are now optimized for ads, while this is optimized for answers. Takeaway: use Perplexity to replace traditional search and cut your research time by half. Number 2, Claude 4 free tier. This tool handles long-form document analysis better than almost any paid rival. Most people use AI for short emails, but the real value is in processing massive amounts of text. Claude 4 has a massive context window even on the free version. It can read a 60-page PDF and find the 3 sentences that actually affect your project. Let me break this down plainly. If you have a dense technical manual or a new company policy, do not read it. Upload the document to Claude and ask it to list the top 5 changes that impact your specific department. It identifies nuances in tone and complex instructions that other models miss. Skip the theory. Here is what actually works. Upload your contract, ask for the termination clauses, and get a summary in seconds. Takeaway: Claude is your high-speed technical reader for zero cost. Number 3, Microsoft Copilot in the Edge browser. This gives you high-level logic for free inside your workspace. Here is the thing most people miss. You do not need a 365 subscription to use the core power of this tool. If you open the Edge browser, the sidebar allows you to interact with any web page or document you are viewing. It is particularly effective for spreadsheet formulas. If you are struggling with a complex Excel task, do not spend an hour on a forum. Describe what you want to achieve in plain English. Type, write a formula to calculate the weighted average for column B based on the dates in column C, and it generates the code. It also summarizes long YouTube videos or industry webinars so you can get the gist in 2 minutes. Takeaway: use the Edge sidebar to generate formulas and summarize web content without leaving your tab. Number 4, Otter AI. This is for the professional trapped in 3 hours of meetings every day. The free tier provides a generous amount of monthly transcription minutes. It records audio in real time and provides a bulleted list of action items. No fluff, here is exactly how to do it. Sync your calendar to Otter. It will automatically join your Zoom or Teams calls. After the meeting, do not watch the recording. Read the automated summary and click on the keywords to hear the specific part of the conversation. This turns spoken words into searchable, actionable data. You can search your entire meeting history for a specific keyword in 5 seconds. Takeaway: Otter eliminates the need for manual note-taking and ensures you never miss a follow-up. Number 5, Gamma. This creates presentation decks from a single prompt or a rough outline. It saves 4 hours of formatting slides and aligning text boxes. The free version uses a credit system that is more than enough for occasional high-stakes presentations. Most people spend 80% of their time on the design and 20% on the content. Gamma reverses that. Input your outline, choose a professional theme, and it builds the visual structure for you. You can then refine the text and swap images. It is not just a template, it is a structural engine. Use it for internal pitches where you need a professional look but do not have a design team. Takeaway: spend your time on the strategy and let Gamma handle the visual layout. Number 6. Notion AI. While Notion itself is a workspace, its integrated AI features are built for centralizing team knowledge. The free tier allows for a significant number of AI responses. It is best used for organizing scattered notes. If you have a page full of messy brainstorming ideas, ask Notion AI to find the action items or summarize this into a project plan. It suggests missing tasks in your to-do list based on the context of your notes. It keeps your workspace organized without manual tagging or filing. The honest answer is that most people fail at project management because the upkeep is too high. Notion AI lowers that barrier to entry. Takeaway: use Notion AI as a digital librarian to turn messy notes into structured project plans. Number 7. Adobe Firefly Web. This tool handles basic graphic design tasks for your documents and social media. It cleans up corporate headshots and presentation images using simple text commands. You can remove distracting backgrounds or add professional elements without learning Photoshop. It replaces a $100 design request with 30 seconds of work. If you need a specific image for a presentation, like a modern office building in a rainstorm, it generates high-quality assets that are safe for commercial use. This is essential for maintaining a professional aesthetic on a $0 budget. Takeaway: Firefly handles the visual polish so your documents look high-end without the cost of a designer. That's everything for today. If one of those saves you even 30 minutes this week, it was worth your time watching. We covered Perplexity for faster research, Claude for document analysis, Copilot for spreadsheet logic, Otter for meeting summaries, Gamma for slide decks, Notion for organization, and Firefly for visual assets. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We post every week, no filler. And drop a comment below. Which of these free tools are you going to test first on Monday morning? I read every reply.